I'm going to teach you how to create a clean size chart with a simple table. We'll build it from a blank canvas, style it so it's easy to read, and export it ready for sharing or printing. Start by opening a blank design. Click Create a design, then pick custom size if you know the exact dimensions you need for your website, listing, or social post. If you're planning to print or just want a familiar page format, choose A4. Choosing the right size at the start helps your table fit perfectly without resizing later. Next, add a table. On the left menu, go to Elements, use the search bar to type Table, and select a simple, clean table. Drag it onto the canvas and position it roughly in the center so you have room to add a title above it. Now enter your sizes. Click each cell and type your measurements or abbreviations like S, M, L, and XL. If you're including numbers, keep units consistent, centimeters or inches, and use the same number of decimal places for a tidy look. Consistency makes it much easier for customers to compare and choose the right size. Adjust the columns and rows to fit your content. Drag the edges of the table to make columns wider for longer labels or narrower for compact sizes. If you need more space, click the plus icons to add extra rows or columns. Aim for breathing room around your text so nothing feels cramped. Center aligning your entries can also improve readability. Customize the look using the top toolbar. Pick a clear, legible font and a text size that's easy to read at a glance. Increase border weight slightly to define each cell, and choose high contrast colors. Dark text on a light background works best. If you want a subtle emphasis, give the header row a light fill color, while keeping the rest white or neutral. Keep your palette simple so the information stands out. Add a title by clicking text, selecting a heading, and paint. And type this size chart. Place it above the table, align it with the table edges, and adjust the font size so it's prominent but not overpowering. Using the same font family as your table helps everything feel cohesive. When you're happy, it's time to download. Click Share, then Download, and choose PNG if you're posting online or PDF for crisp, print-ready results. Give the file a clear name so it's easy to find later. And that's it. Your size chart is ready to use.